Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In this question, a circle is tangent to two intersecting lines. A vertical segment of unknown length is drawn from the upper point of tangency, perpendicular to the horizontal baseline, intersecting it at a right angle. The vertical line divides the segment of the base, between the vertex and the circle's point of tangency, into two parts. The distance from the vertex to the perpendicular foot is 6 units. And the distance from the perpendicular foot to the circle's bottom point of tangency is 4 units. Our goal is to calculate the exact radius of the circle. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comment section. To solve this problem, first let's label these points. A, B, C, D, and the center of the circle as O. Next, let's recall the circle theorem of tangent from external point. It states that if two tangents are drawn from the same point outside a circle, the lengths of those tangents are equal. From this theorem, it follows that AD is equal to AC. Since AD is equal to 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10 units, AC is equal to 10 units. Next, let's focus on triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. From Pythagoras' theorem, AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. AC is equal to 10. And AB is equal to 6. Substituting these values in the above expression will give us 10 squared is equal to 6 squared plus BC squared. Rearranging this will give us BC squared is equal to 10 squared minus 6 squared. 10 squared is equal to 100. And 6 squared is equal to 36. 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. So, BC squared is equal to 64. Taking the square root of both sides will give us BC is equal to 8. Next, let's draw a radius from O to D. Let the radius be x. Again, let's draw another radius from C to O. Now, from O, let's draw a perpendicular line to BC. Let this point be M. Observe that MB is equal to OD, which is equal to x. MO is equal to BD, which is equal to 4. Since BC is equal to 8. And MB is equal to x. To find CM, we subtract MB from BC. Therefore, CM is equal to 8 minus x. Now, let's focus on triangle CMO. Triangle CMO is also a right triangle. From Pythagoras' theorem, CO squared is equal to CM squared plus MO squared. CO is equal to x. CM is equal to 8 minus x. And MO is equal to 4. Substituting these values in the above expression will give us x squared is equal to 8 minus x squared plus 4 squared. Simplifying this will give us x squared is equal to 64 minus 16x plus x squared plus 16. Rearranging this will give us x squared minus x squared plus 16x is equal to 64 plus 16. X squared minus x squared is equal to 0. 64 plus 16 is equal to 80. So, we are left with 16x is equal to 80. Dividing through by 16. 16 will cancel out 16. And 80 divided by 16 is equal to 5. And we are left with x is equal to 5. Hence, x is equal to 5 units. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.